Hello everyone, this is Steve. I just want to go over how to use a Carfilm app to record a video and then how to send it via DealerSocket app. So first of all, you want to make sure you have the CRM app up. Same time, you also want to have the Carfilm app up. And just search the Play Store or your Apple Store for Carfilm. And it's a little orange icon in the far bottom left-hand corner. Click on that. Carfilm will pop up. See your picture, your name, phone number, email address, and what store you're in. So you're first going to record a video. Rotate the device. If you want to do a selfie, do the camera with the arrows in it. There it is. You're going to press the circle, record video. I'm using a device now to record this tutorial, so it's not allowing me to record a video or sound, but you would record your video and sound. So click the stop button, and yours will be able to hit save. So you're going to go ahead and hit save. It's going to take you back to the Carfilm app. Give it a second, it'll finish processing, and the video will appear here. Go ahead and click on the video that you recorded. You're going to put in the title, introduction, or whatever you want to put in here. If it's a walk around, put in walk around. Website overlay. This is where you can put the website that you want it to be behind your video. So when the customer is watching your video, they can click on the website. So good practice is if you're talking about a vehicle, go ahead and copy and paste the URL from where the vehicle display page is. So when you click on the car on the website and the full page pops up about the vehicle, copy and paste the URL and put it in here. Once you're done filling out all the information, you're going to click send video. You're going to click on the green email tab. You're going to go back to DealerSocket. You're going to find the customer you want to send this to. I have one pre-recorded here or pre-selected here, myself. You're going to go into the opportunity. You're going to click on the blue envelope to send the email. I'm going to select a template. That is the BMW blank template. I'm going to put in from my email address. Subject is intro, video, or whatever, or video walk around. You're going to put in here something to the customer. Here is my intro video, or whatever. More dynamic than that, but I'm just doing something quick here. You're going to go ahead and hit enter a few times. Go ahead and place your finger on the screen, hold it down for a second. This will appear. Go ahead and hit paste, and there's the video. Go ahead and hit send. It's going to tell you okay to proceed. Hit continue. And that video is sent. So I'm going to go to my email. There's the intro video. There's the video that the customer sees. The customer is going to click on it and hit play. And they can view website too, but I'm going to go ahead and hit play.
My name is Steve.
There's the video.
Thank you for submitting a
Bad video, sorry about that. Then you're going to click on view website, the customer would do, and there's the website. And that would be the vehicle information page if you decide you want to click on that or send that to the customer. Your name's there, your phone number, your email address, and the store that you work from. Now, if you want to use this in the GoTo app, same thing, same process really. You would record the video like you normally do. You go to messages, click on compose a message, put in the phone number you want to send it to. You're going to go back to the Carfilm app. You're going to send video and you're going to copy link. Go back to GoTo, select the customer you want to send it to. Put in your information. Here is the video intro. Hit a few interspaces, hold down your finger on the phone until it has the paste option. Click on paste, and there you go. Hit send. I'm going to go to my messages, and there it is. Click on that. That's the customer.
My name is Steve.
Texted
Thank you for.
I hope that helps. Any questions? Let me know. Thank you.